In the last video, you built your content foundation. 20 audience questions, 9 personal stories, and 10 client problems. Today, we're turning that research into 30 posts in one afternoon. This isn't about prompting AI better. It's about feeding AI your reality, your voice, your expertise, your stories, so it generates content that actually sounds like you and builds trust with your audience. By the end of this video, you'll have 30 pieces of human-sounding content ready to use however you want. Open Claude or ChatGPT. You're going to combine your 3 research documents into one strategic prompt. Here's the exact prompt. Copy this word for word. Prompt. I'm going to give you 3 lists. 1. 20 questions my target audience is actively searching for. 2. 10 real client problems I've solved in the past month. 3. 9 personal stories from my business journey. 3 mistakes, 3 wins, 3 contrarian beliefs. Your job, analyze all 3 lists and identify the 4 core business pillars they fall under. Then generate 30 content hooks, specific concrete topics that address the overlap between what my audience is searching for and what I've proven I can help with. For each hook, tell me the pillar it belongs to, whether it should be educational, story-driven, or myth-busting. Which personal story, if any, from my story vault would strengthen it. Output this as a numbered list. Now paste your 3 documents below the prompt. Hit enter. What you'll get back, 30 content hooks that aren't generic. They're grounded in real search demand, what people want, real client problems, what you solve, your unique perspective, what makes you different. This is the difference between AI slop and strategic content. You're not asking AI for ideas. You're asking it to analyze your expertise and find the patterns. Teach AI to write like you. Now we need to strip out the corporate robot voice. Open a new conversation in Claude and paste this prompt. Prompt. I need to create a voice codex for my brand. Here's a sample of my writing. Paste 3 to 4 paragraphs of something you actually wrote. An email to a client, a LinkedIn post, a text to a friend about business. Whatever sounds like you when you're explaining something. Analyze this and create 7 specific rules about my writing style. Focus on sentence length and structure, words I should never use, tone and personality, how I explain complex ideas, how I use formatting or don't. What you'll get, something like this. Your voice codex, short sentences, rarely over 15 words. No corporate buzzwords, synergy, leverage, unlock, deep dive. Write like you're texting a smart friend. Use you language, not one should, or it's important to. Lead with the problem, then the solution. 1 idea per paragraph. End with a clear next step. Copy this and save it in a doc titled Voice Codex. You'll use this for every piece of content you ever create. Why this matters? Without a voice codex, AI writes in its default voice, which sounds like a corporate blog from 2019. With a voice codex, AI writes in your voice. It's the difference between content people scroll past and content people actually read. Now we combine everything. Go back to the Claude conversation where you got your 30 hooks. Paste your voice codex, then add this prompt. Using the 30 hooks you generated and my voice codex rules, write 30 short-form posts, 150 to 200 words each. For the 10 hooks you flagged for personal stories, integrate the corresponding story from my story vault, but focus on the lesson learned, not the drama. Output this as a table with 4 columns. Hook, the attention-grabbing first line. Body, the main content. CTA, a simple call to action. Platform, LinkedIn, Instagram, email, etc. Make sure every post follows my voice codex exactly. Claude will generate a table with all 30 posts. Quality check. Scroll through and read 3 to 4 posts out loud. If they still sound too polished or formal, add this follow-up prompt. These still sound too corporate. Make them rougher and more conversational. Add sentence fragments. Vary the sentence length dramatically. Remove any formal transitions. Once you're happy, tell Claude, export this as a CSV file. Copy the CSV data. Save it in a doc or spreadsheet. Here's the problem. Even with a voice codex, AI leaves fingerprints. Your audience can feel it. And when they sense AI, trust drops. The quality control system, OpenGPT0.me, it's free. Copy one of your posts and paste it in. Hit check. You'll get a score. Anything below 85% human needs work. What GPT-0 flags, overly smooth transitions. Moreover, furthermore, perfect parallel structure, every sentence the same length. Hedging language, it's important to note. Corporate openers in today's fast-paced world. The fix, humanrewriter.ai. Instead of spending hours manually tweaking sentences, go to humanrewriter.ai. This is our tool, built specifically to strip AI fingerprints while keeping your meaning intact. What it does differently doesn't just swap synonyms like basic tools, restructures sentence rhythm and flow patterns, adds natural imperfections, varied lengths, rough transitions, the small inconsistencies that make writing feel real, maintains your core message. The workflow: copy your 30 posts into humanrewriter.ai. Let it process the entire batch at once. Run 5 to 6 rewritten posts through GPT-0 to verify they hit 85% plus human. Done. This adds 15 to 20 minutes to your process instead of hours of manual editing. Why this matters? You're not just avoiding AI detection, you're building trust. When content sounds like a real person who's been in the trenches, people lean in. When it sounds like ChatGPT, they scroll. Your 30 posts are only valuable if people believe you wrote them. Human Rewriter bridges that gap. That's it. You now have 30 pieces of content that address real search demand, solve real problems, sound authentically human, reflect your unique voice and stories. Total time investment: 1 research day, 1 creation afternoon. No daily scramble. No, what should I post today? Panic. Just a vault of strategic content ready to deploy. In the next video, I'll show you how to automate the posting and scheduling using AI so your content runs on autopilot while you focus on actually running your business. Hit subscribe. We're building a different kind of engine at AI Launch Lab. See you in the next one.